Hi, thanks again for joining me. This is Steve Flate, your technology specialist here at Herb Chambers Lexus in Hingham. And today I'm going to show you how to use the voice command system in a 2017 RX 350. So the first thing we're going to do, it's real simple. We're just going to come to the voice command button right here on the steering wheel. And I'm just going to press and release. And when I press and release, the voice command system is going to come up on the screen here. And in the 17 RX, you actually have two modes of the voice command system. You always want to check to make sure you're in the shortcut menu. So when it comes on, you can just say shortcut menu and ensure that you're in that mode. That's going to allow you to say things very simply with the system. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to do a few things and show you some of the things you can do in your vehicle. So we're going to hit the voice command button and we'll begin. Shortcut menu.
Go to shortcut.
Cooler.
Cooler.
So if you notice down here in the climate section, it's actually decreased the temperature by 4 degrees by saying cooler. If I say warmer, warmer,
Warmer.
it increases the temperature by 4 degrees. So it will do it in 4-degree increments, whether you're going cooler or warmer, or if you want to be very specific, 69 degrees.
69 degrees.
And it will do that for you. If we, for instance, also maybe we want to put on a radio station. As you notice right now, the radio is actually turned off in our car here. So even if the system is turned off, again, I'm going to hit the voice command button, go to radio.
Go to radio. Please say a radio command.
Tune to 106.7 FM.
Tune to 106.7 FM.
And you notice it's turned on the audio, and we're actually have something playing. So you will notice too that whenever you want to do a particular command in the car, when I hit the voice command button, there will be various tabs for each section in the car. One for navigation, one for phone, one for radio. If you just say go to that section, based on what it is you want to do, it will give you a list of commands of things that you can say, and over time you'll just get used to what some of those other commands are. We can use this for the phone naturally as well by just bringing up a contact in our contact list and using their name. So I could just hit the voice command button and say call Joe Smith, and it will ask you, if you want to call Joe Smith, and you just say yes, and off you go. It's really that simple to use the voice command in the 2017 RX 350. One thing I might also point out, if we hit the main menu button down here on the console, and we go to the main menu button, main menu screen here, and I go to Setup, and then Voice, and I'm going to scroll down on the menu here. You'll notice this line item here that says Train Voice Recognition. If you select this, it will bring you to a program here. If I hit start, it will then ask me 10 various sentences it will give me to repeat. And in going through this process, which only takes a few minutes, the system will actually learn your phonetics, your speech pattern, and that way there, when you go to use the voice command system, it'll actually be even more accurate for you. Some other pointers to using the voice command system are, if you have the climate running, for instance, and the fan is up high, these are the vents in the front. If these are turned up, you'll have air that's blowing like this, and the microphone is up here at the top of the vehicle. And so when you have air blowing from the vents that's doing this, and your voice is doing its thing, the two will collide, and sometimes that could cause the voice command to actually get confused. Similar other things might be if the sunroof is open, or your windows are open or cracked, or if somebody else is talking in the car when you go to use the voice command system. all those things may contribute to it getting a little bit confused because it wouldn't know exactly who to key in on when the command is being given. So if you stick to some of these pointers and you play with the voice command system, I think you'll find doing some of the things in your RX will be so much easier and so much funner, actually, to be honest. And you can actually do some of these things while you're in motion, such as putting in an address into the navigation system when you're driving. Well, that does it for today. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope you guys have a great day.